This is going to be a video in itself on YouTube, and I'm going to make Weston watch it tonight.
Gotta go. Love you, bye.
All right, love you, bye. What's going on, friends? I come out to this little place, try to do a little more fishing, see if I can't catch something today. Again, the wind's a little crazy, not too bad, but also I come up here for another reason too. I'll explain that when I get back home though. So earlier when I said I went out there for a reason, I went out there because of this. Yeah. It was a deal I couldn't pass up on. My dad called me the other day, and the place he works up there, he's like, hey, doesn't your neighbor, buddy of mine down the street, doesn't he want a four-seater side by side? I was like, yeah, I think so. He said, well, we're going to sell the one we have up here at the ranch. I was like, okay. He said it's a four-seater Polaris Ranger, 2009 model. Had the engine rebuilt a year and a half ago. New brakes. It just needs a CV axle. So I was like, okay. How much you want for it? $2,500. I was like, forget my neighbor. I'm getting it. So yeah, I couldn't pass it up. That's a deal of a lifetime. It's got 700 miles on the side by side itself, but like I said, the motor's only a year and a half old, and they just use it up at the ranch to feed corn, fill up feeders and stuff like that. So that's the reason I went up there. I love this place. Over here in the hill country of Texas, I'm fortunate enough to be able to fish at this place. Stocked with bass, catfish, brim, and things like that. So let's see if we can't catch us a fish or two. First cast. Let's see what we do here.
Where do you go to sleep at night?
Got one right off. I mean, I ain't even did anything with it yet.
Please say it ain't so. Where do you go?
He hit it before it hit the before it hit bottom.
Is it someone I know?
Oh, come here, buddy.
Someone from before? I know you so well, and I know how it feels when we fall. You're drifting away, and the walls have turned into sky.
Not a bad little fish.
It's tender, it's dark, and it's breaking my heart. Where do you go?
First cast in the water. Let's see if we can get another one. I'm fishing with a baby brush hog.
Say it ain't so. Please say it ain't so. You know, forever ago, you were in my arms. We used to juggle with those who would know where to go.
Fish number 2. Oh, he got off. He got off. Oh, I love this. I didn't really set the hook that good on that second one. Cast number 3. See if we can get lucky again. There he is, there he is, there he is. Number 3. Oh, this seems pretty decent. Not a bad little fish. Oh, he's off. He's off. All swimming away. I know where some bigger ones are from last time. I haven't made it there yet. Like I said, I come to this corner. First 3 casts, fish on. See if I can get lucky again. There's 3 bass right here. I don't know if y'all can see them, but little babies. Alright, sorry about that. I had a phone call. Let's see. This is cast number 4. I reeled cast number 3 in as soon as I got the phone call. There's 3 of them right down here. They're looking at it. But they also see me, so they know something's up. And that's probably the 3 I caught already. This might be a little better. Ah. He was just sitting there, just bumping. It's time for a new worm, or new brush hog real quick. Like I said, it's a baby brush hog. It's called black red, is what it's called. It's black with red flakes in it. So, see if they like it. If I may have fished this out already. I got like 3 in the first 3 casts. So I might have disturbed this little area right here. I may need to move over to the other side. I wish I would have brought my ultralight. This would have been really fun. I could feel them. They're just, you can feel that rod tip just bouncing. Ah. Ah. I'll move down over to this other side real quick. Oh yeah, this is a good one. a little fish. He's a little light on color. Get on back out there. Grow up. They got some pretty big ones out here. I'd like to catch me a 5-6 pounder. Get too close to the edge. Oh, 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 oh. There we go. Oh, he's a little fatty. All right, all right, all right, all right. I think she's getting ready. She's got some eggs in her. I don't know if I finished my statement earlier, but you got to be real careful right here along the edge. If you step too close, you'll hit that slime. You'll slide all the way in. Let's see, just out of curiosity. Try a shimmy stick. See if we can get any action out of that. If not, we'll go right back to the baby brush hog. I got this rig Texas style. So he had a bunch of worms in his mouth, I guess. Come on. And he got right here. There's 3 white, looks like grubs that he spit out. I seen him hit it too. He was swimming around about right here. So y'all see me, I reeled it in pretty quick, got it to right here. And as it was falling down, he zoomed over, just boom, hit it. That might have been the one I just caught though.
Catching?
Yeah. Yeah, the first 3 casts out. One right after the other on the brush hog. And I've caught a couple on this.
It's freaking fun, ain't it?
Oh man, it's a blast. They like that. I put a June bug color on. Didn't get nothing, but I only threw it a couple times. But I put the black and red back on it. Right back at it. I've gone through 2 of these already, and that one's a tore up too.
Well, just know, Chris, anytime you want to come up here, bring the kids up here.
Oh,
it's
yeah.
open.
Well-
That's Roger wanted me to make that clear. Your family,
Yeah.
you're welcome to use this anytime. You know.
I've caught a couple of it, about yay big,
Yeah.
but they are fat.
Yeah.
They're getting
Well, they got
ready.
plenty to eat. Look how many brimmer in here.
I think they're getting ready to spawn. It should be about that time.
It could be. It could be. We was up there. He was fixing to go put a timer on that feeder I put up there yesterday, and
Who,
Roger.
Roger? Is he
And,
back?
Well, he wasn't nowhere. He was down at the. He had went and bought a bunch of corn and some alfalfa and stuff, and he was cleaning the back of his truck out down there at the dumpsters. And so I went in to eat a sandwich and went back up there. I looked and I said there was axes underneath that feeder, and I said, well, I wonder if that's that axis that Chris had a hurt back foot. He goes, the show is cool. Your son's here. He could help you clean it. There's tires out here.
I've been throwing kind of right out here.
That's about where it is.
The first 3 I brought in right off that bank over there. There's one right there. There was one swimming.
I caught one
Like,
right here.
right
When I was bringing the bait in,
Yeah.
and he eyed it and kind of run at it for a second, and I brought it up and just flipped it out right past him, and I shook it a couple times, and he hit it like he was hungry.
Now you were throwing that crawfish rattle trap.
Yeah.
He's looking at it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I ain't got. Last time we were seeing the big ones up there. I haven't got over there yet.
The 7 I caught 2 or 3 of them here off the dam, and then I caught the rest of them walking that bank down through there.
Yeah.
Which I was using that rattle trap pretty heavy, and I was using an open face reel with braided line on it, so I was slinging it and I was getting it almost to the other side.
There we go. There we go. Steam across the top of the water. He's a little chubby.
Uh-huh.
He swallowed this sucker. Nope, stand back up.
Yeah, he was hungry.
Where you at? Where you at? We're gonna try this spot right over here. Throw back out this way and throw that way real quick. I forgot this little deal was a tripod, so I could have set y'all up a little better, but playing with it while it was coming in and it spit it out. This reel's a 8.1 to 1 ratio, so I mean, if I want them in, I can skim them across the top of the water. Like I said, an ultralight right now would be so much fun. With about 4-pound test on it, with the drag set low, let them really play with it. What, like 10? Something like that. It's just fun, and they're not monsters. Like I said, I'm gonna need a new one here in a minute. They're about 2 pounds. But they're fun, just one right after the other, one right after the other. Alright, hold your horses, hold your horses. He's pretty decent. Not too bad. Off you go, buddy. Oh, this brush hog is ate up. I think it's got about one more fish in it. It's a nice little fish. I think I'm gonna have to bring my boy back down here Saturday. She was just resting. That's like big. Oh, a little chunky bug. Another good fish. Alright, let's move down a little bit. I'm trying to look for one of those 5, 6, 7 pounders. That's what I'm fishing with. See if there's any food in here. Throw a little bit of fish food down there for them. All right. Yeah, I fed the brim. Let's see if we can get us another bass or two. Ah. Yeah, I should have retied. Anyway, I need to retie real quick. And we'll get a couple more casts before I need to leave. I want to work on down there a little more. There's a tree that runs out across, and then they got some debris set out there that I want to flip. And then I'm gonna have to go. So we'll see here in a minute. Holy smoke, there he is, there he is. Whoa. That's not him. That's not him. That's not the one. You're not the one I wanted, buddy. He's still not bad. Oh. See that? Hello. Yeah, they said they can't see anything wrong. So that's what they're thinking. They said send him home. Hold on. Send him home and watch him for about 3 weeks or so. Make sure he takes it easy.
Do they know what dog we're talking about?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm trying to leave.
Any better? I guess we can just schedule something with Tom then.
Yeah. I'm trying to.
We can get a second opinion.
Yeah. I'm trying to leave here, but I keep catching fish after fish after fish.
Don't forget to get their flea and tick medicine, please.
Yeah. This is gonna be a video in itself on YouTube, and I'm gonna make Weston watch it tonight.
Okay, gotta go. Love you, bye.
All right, love you, bye. Come on, you get off of there. This other one, golly, man, he is a monster. He's just following this one around that's on the hook. Good Lord, he is freaking huge. He's like, hold on, I didn't know you could fly. Don't worry, buddy, I'm gonna try to get you. I want to catch him so y'all can see. There's an albino catfish. Another albino catfish. There he is. There he is. He went a little deep. Let's see. Oh, that's not him. Good Lord, y'all are killing my, I'm gonna have to go to the store and get another bag of brush hogs. Alright. Come on, dude. I don't know why I'm biting. Oh, save that. We don't want to litter out here, so. What, I'll put that right there. I know the brush hogs are working, but I'm gonna put this on a little rage tail crawdad. See if it does anything. Oh, there he is. There he is. Come on, big boy. Eat it. Eat it. Not you, little one. Ah! I don't want you, little one. Come on. He's still a good size little fish. He liked that rage tail. Let's try it again. See if I can grab one of these albinos real quick. Hello, baby. Just a little baby. There he is. He's playing with it. I think it's another little baby. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on. You know what? Before it dies real quick, I'm gonna try to hit the, there's some little debris out there. I'm gonna try to hit it real quick. Seeing if the big boy might be hanging out around it. Well, it's been fun fishing with y'all today. Hope y'all enjoy the video. I know it's not normally the type of video I do. But it's nice to throw something on the channel different every now and then. I know a lot of the truckers out there, a lot of them like fishing. A lot of the older school truckers like fishing. So hopefully y'all like the video. Hear the axis up there barking. Oh, there he is. There he is. Ah! Thought I was gonna give you one more fish to leave with. Well, after the phone died, I caught probably another 8 in about 10 minutes, and then didn't retie again, so I broke one off. But it's been fun. I love it out here. Beautiful. Beautiful. And with the overcast, they're fish are a lot easier to catch. But anyway, like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and see you on the next one.